Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Hyundai Sonata, a car that continues to redefine what a midsize sedan can offer in terms of style, comfort, and performance. Right from the moment you see it, the redesigned exterior makes a bold statement with its sculpted lines, sharp LED lighting signature, and a new, more aggressive front grille that blends seamlessly with the sleek bodywork. The sporty silhouette is accentuated by a lower stance and a coupe-like roofline, while the choice of new alloy wheels adds a premium touch that really catches the eye whether the car is in motion or parked. Moving inside, the 2025 Sonata surprises with an interior that feels both futuristic and welcoming. High-quality soft-touch materials are used throughout, complemented by ambient lighting that can be customized to suit your mood. The centerpiece is the panoramic curved display that combines the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and the large infotainment screen into one flowing unit, offering crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Hyundai has also added a redesigned steering wheel, updated climate controls, and improved seat ergonomics to maximize comfort on long journeys. Passengers in the rear get generous legroom and optional heated seats, making it a comfortable ride for everyone. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Sonata offers a refined driving experience with multiple powertrain options. The base engine is a responsive 2.5-liter four-cylinder that delivers around 191 horsepower, offering a balanced blend of power and fuel efficiency ideal for daily commuting. For those seeking a bit more excitement, the turbocharged 1.6-liter variant delivers smoother acceleration with around 180 horsepower, thanks to improved torque delivery at lower RPMs. The hybrid model remains an impressive choice for eco-conscious drivers, combining efficiency with surprisingly brisk performance. The ride quality has also been enhanced, with better suspension tuning that soaks up bumps effortlessly while keeping the handling sharp and confident around corners. In terms of technology and safety, the 2025 Sonata comes equipped with the latest version of Hyundai's Smart Sense suite, including features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision avoidance, and an upgraded blind spot view monitor. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Bose sound system, and available remote smart parking assist add convenience and entertainment value that make daily drives more enjoyable. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The starting price for the 2025 Hyundai Sonata comes in at around $30,000, depending on trim and options, which positions it competitively within its class. Fully loaded models with the top trims and premium packages can push the price closer to $40,000, but you get an impressive mix of luxury, technology, and design that feels well worth the investment. Overall, the 2025 Hyundai Sonata stands out as a stylish, practical, and well-equipped sedan that blends modern design with advanced features and a comfortable driving experience. Whether you're looking for efficiency, performance, or a premium feel without the premium price tag, this Sonata makes a strong case to be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and let us know what you think about the new Sonata in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed car reviews.